Learn how to make a cozy ear warmer for when you want to go out on a cold winter day. This is a simple fleece ear band that can be made using just a 1/4 yard of leftover fleece remnant fabric. You can download the free pattern by following the link in the description below and then following along with the step-by-step instructions. With right sides together, sew the ear warmer to the lining along the top and the bottom. Now before you do this, you want to turn in the seam allowance on one side of the ear warmer and lining. This will make the next steps easier. After sewing, you want to turn the ear warmer to the right side. And it's a good idea to press the seams here to make them nice and neat. Make sure to use a pressing cloth whenever you use an iron on fleece because the heat can end up melting the fuzzy fibers if you don't. Now we're going to sew our ear warmer into a loop. Fold the ear warmer and insert the side with the raw edges inside the side that you folded over earlier. Then you're going to want to top stitch through all of the layers. Now you want to get your tab ready. Fold the tab in half and sew. Trim the seam to reduce bulk and then turn the tab to the right side. Now all you have to do is wrap the tab around the ear warmer and hand sew it closed in the back. And that's it. You've finished your super simple fleece ear warmer.